Happy Kidoodles!
Meow there! I'm Captain Whiskers, your silly cat friend. Today we're going to learn the letters N to T. Let's start our alphabet adventure. Come learn with me. N is for nest. Say it with me. Net, net, nest. Look at those cozy baby birds.
O is for octopus. Say it with me. Octopus. Whoa, 8 wiggly arms and a splashy dance. P is for penguin. Say it with me. Penguin. Look at that waddle. Ice-mazing. Q is for queen. Say it with me. Queen. All hail her crown and royal smile. R is for rocket. Say it with me. Rocket. 3, 2, 1, blast off. S is for sun. Say it with me. Sun. Bright, warm, and perfect for playtime. T is for turtle. Say it with me. Turtle. Slow and steady, just like learning. Yeah, we did it, friends! You all were amazing! So, are you ready for our ABC song? Let's go! N is for nest, where baby birds sleep. O is for octopus, swimming in the deep. P is for penguin, sliding on ice. Q is for queen, so royal and nice. R is for rocket, zooming so high. S is for sun, lighting the sky. T is for turtle, taking it slow. Learning letters helps us grow. Goodbye, friends! See you in the next episode where we'll learn from U to Z. Till then, do the revision properly, my friends! Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more such fun videos.